Hello and welcome to Blue Garden Cottage again, all of you wonderful people. It's lovely to have you along. A special welcome to the new subscribers and lovely to see again to all of those that have been around for quite a while. Obviously today is garden day and I'm going to take you around what I've been doing. Well, as you can see, I have been doing quite a bit of work again today. I've uncovered the bed that was covered with the enviromesh and tidied up any weeds and got rid of all the caterpillars hiding in the spinach. They've gone into the tub over there with all the cut stuff. Got rid of this bed off here and transplanted a cabbage, or rather broccoli, and what else? Mustard or Nepalese cabbage. I have transplanted the parsley, some feverfew, the wild strawberry from there, because of course this is, I think, the first bed that's going to be done in the next week. So we're going to start off with one bed at a time, and that will be this one first. So I can't wait for that one to do. As soon as this one's done, then we'll have something to lean on to cut the metal for the other beds. We still have plenty of carrots. Well, a couple of carrots, not too many. Some beetroot still growing, look at that. Still got beetroot, still got carrots, still got some kale, although that will be slowing down for winter now. Still got spinach, don't know how long that will keep going, but I'll keep harvesting as long as that does. Still got some more cylinder beetroot in there, but it needs compost to cover the tubers a bit more. I've still got a couple of leeks in there. The butternut are going to be cleared off because I harvested them. I'll show you in a minute. This, I've cut away all the old growth of the evergreen blackberries with the fruit that were still on there, all the seedy bits, because they sprout everywhere. So that's going in the council waste for garden waste. Still got spinach in here, still have beautiful fresh fennel, still wanting to flower. The parsley I've put in there. So there's been quite a bit done. I've tidied up all the dead calendula there. And yeah, this is still a job to do. So never mind that for now. Still got to chop down what's left of the marshmallow. Empty out that water pond, the top one over there, because that is just spilling over and making the garden a bog. There you go. So quite a lot to do yet. Harvesting in the meantime until I got to clear everything out for the beds to be built. There you go. One broccoli ready for next year. And a kale cutting still surviving. Oh, look at that cabbage white. Don't you dare strip it. You're going to the birds. Ooh. You are going to the birds. That's for sure. The birds will come up here. Ooh, beasties. And this is today's harvest. The shallots that I clean forgot about. They're about to rot. Some of them had already. So what I'll do is I'll clean off all the wet stuff right to the middle and I'll use them immediately. And there's the carrots munched by slugs and woodworms, so they're going to be cleaned out, all the yucky bits cut off, but they're still perfectly usable, and that's a nice one. They're very respectable sizes of carrots, but I'll cut off all those yucky bits and I'll still use them. A little bit of mint that will go with some beetroot in a salad. It's tiny baby beetroot. Lovely spinach, some Cape gooseberries, one solitary tiny turnip, and I dug it up before, well, I didn't have to dig it, I just pulled it off the surface before the slugs get to it. One passion fruit, the last of the tomatoes that were under the cover, and one ripe one. So these are obviously the little yellow pear ones. I love these, they're so delicious. And the kale. So guess what's going in for supper tonight? All of these. Lovely. And here are those butternut squash. Not very big, obviously, but the storms were coming in when was it? Beginning of the week and the weekend. Yeah, weekend gone. The storms were coming in, the rain and the wind, and everything was so heavy and everything was wet. I was afraid of water getting in at the stems and rotting them. So I harvested them, cured them on the windowsills, and that's where they stay. And they're nice and dry and hard now. So they're safe to be stored. And they will be used in a couple of months because they'll mature nicely now and carry on ripening on the windowsill for a little bit longer. And then I'll put them in the kitchen in the veggie box and just use them as and when, and they'll be ripe. I wonder if this one was cross-pollinated with the courgettes, because it doesn't look anything like the butternut. We had plenty of courgette flowers but not one fruit. I wonder if this one cross-pollinated. That will be interesting. Might have to use that one before any of the others. But these are definitely butternut squash. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And a quick interjection between talking about the garden stuff. This is taking Make, Do and Mend to the extreme. Hubby's old military boots are now way past repair or use, so he's stripping the leather off the uppers to use another time. How's that? That's taking it to the extreme, but that is what we're doing. Well, there you go, folks. Job done. Tomato sorted. Pepper moved under here just to see if it will survive. Other things tidied up and watered where it was dry. That still needs to be covered to protect it from all the rain. And work has been done. It's been lovely to have you along with us, sharing this very, very beautiful sunny day. Cold, but sunny. And I've been grateful to be able to get out here. I thought I'd grab the chance before the rain comes again. We're not getting much now until Sunday and Monday of next week. But it will be cold, and I still have a huge amount of other work to do. So I grabbed the chance today while I can. Not much will be done between today and Monday though, so this was my last chance for this week. So grateful for the sunshine. Right then, people, I'm going to go and cook these foods for supper and get on with some housework and enjoy what we've harvested. I do hope that whatever harvest you're getting this week, whether edible or not, I hope that you are happy, that you enjoy it, make the most of whatever sunshine comes your way. Enjoy the rain when it comes, if it comes for you, and find the beauty in every harvest of every kind. I shall speak to you all again soon. Can't make any promises when, if I can, before the next week's video. But obviously next week is the craft week, and I'll show you what I've been doing there next week and be doing in between. Alright, people, speak to you again soon. Have a lovely week until I see you again. Take care. Oh yes, of course, don't forget, if you haven't already done so, to subscribe if you want to like and share and do comments. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.